Once you double click on the campground document, you will see that there are two tabs at the bottom. You have a Campground Reviews and a Campground Report Card. To do the Campground Report Card, you just click on the tab below. And you probably have seen this in some of my reviews, so you probably have an idea how I do this. It does say due to complex formulations in the spreadsheet, it is protected from changes. And here you want to record only a grade of A, B, C, D, F, or NA. The categories are accessibility, appearance, staff, amenities, activities, RV sites, maintenance, quiet enjoyment, ambience, location, and cell and internet. What you can do is put your campground name in here, ABC Campground, put the date of the first night you stayed there. Let's say it was 2/20 of 2021. And then you put the names of the people. It's Karen and Dave. And then I take a look and I want to give it a score of A, B, C, D, or F, or NA for accessibility. And there's a little definitions of what I mean by those. And let's say I think this one was an A. I think the appearance was a B. Staff, A. And let's just put some letters in here. Put an A in here. I'm just making some stuff up here. You'll see that the overall grade down here is automatically being calculated. That's why this sheet is protected, because it's taking all those grades and calculating it out. So if I put Dave in here, let's say he was not real happy. You can see the grade starting to change. And it even knows how to work in the NAs. So I got an overall score of C+, and I can put that in my campground review. And also down here I would put in whether or not we would stay there again. Dave might say maybe. Now you can either write over top of this for the next campground, or maybe you want to save this so you can refer back to it in the future in case you decide to go back to that campground or somebody asks you about that campground. It'll help you remember what you thought of it. So let me show you a little bonus here. If you go down to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen and you type in snip and sketch, hopefully a snip and sketch app will show up right here, which is a Microsoft freebie. If you right-click on it, you can tell it to pin it to your taskbar, and then what will happen is it'll show up down here in the bottom right-hand corner. I can click on that, hit New, and it turns gray. I could take the little white plus sign and highlight the whole thing. And then up here in the right-hand corner, I can hit Save. Then I can tell it where I want to save it in my Watts on Wheels spreadsheets under Campground Report Cards, which I have already put into that package for you. Double click on that and then give it a name, like ABC Campground 2/8/21, which is a date I have on there. Report card. And hit Save. If I really don't care to save it, I just wanted to get a grade to put on my campground review, then I can just come up here, click on the campground name and delete it, come up here where I have the date, delete that, and then I could just highlight the area where I put our grades in, delete those, and then delete stay there again comments. And then I'm ready for the next one. If you happen to find any errors, have any suggestions for improvements, need some further assistance, you can email me at 2wattsonwheels@gmail.com and I'll see if I can help you out. Once again, thanks for purchasing our spreadsheets and I hope they help you out.